Hello, this is Suchadatta and now here we are with the last chapter of class 9 Political Science, and the name of the chapter is Democratic Rights. No country can claim that they are a civilized nation, and no government can say that they are a welfare government unless some rights are given to the individuals. Rights are very essential because they help in promoting the personality of the individual. The rights see to it that nobody is able to actually overpower others, or there is some kind of overpowering by the government over the individuals. That is to say, complete freedom for the growth and personality of the citizens require rights. And in today's world, since most of the countries are democratic in nature, therefore, the rights which have been provided by the governments are called as democratic rights. Let's know about various terms and concepts. The first is begar. Begar is forced labor. That is, when people are forced to work and then they are not paid for the work that they have done is called as begar. Next is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the rights which the Constitution gives to its individuals for all round development. There are 6 fundamental rights which have been granted by the Indian Constitution to its citizens for the enhancement of their personality and to see that nobody actually makes any fool of them. So, fundamental rights are essential for the development of a healthy society. Next is Dalit. Dalit is a person who belongs to the scheduled caste or the scheduled tribe, that is a person belonging to the so-called lower caste in the Indian society is termed as Dalit. Next is human trafficking. Human trafficking means when men, women, children are actually transported and sold from one place to another for immoral purposes, that is termed as human trafficking. Next is constitutional remedies. The government or the constitution gives certain fundamental rights to its people. But it is very important to see that these rights are protected, and if there is any encroachment of any kind by an agency, individual or the government, then there is a remedy which can provide the much required justice and restore the rights of the people. Therefore, the constitutional remedies are in fact those rights which help an individual to get other rights. Next we have summon. Summon is an order of the court to produce before the court on an appointed date and a time. Next is covenant. Covenant is a promise made by individuals, group of individuals, countries, nations, states towards the upholding of rule or a principle, and they all stand binded towards this rule. They all are signatories of it to the agreement that they have signed upon. So now we start with the chapter Democratic Rights.